this video, we are going to learn about how to make tooth powder. So what is tooth powder? Tooth powder is an alternative to toothpaste. It is a mixture of powders designed to clean your teeth and freshen your breath. These tubes are made of a mix of plastic and aluminum, which is impossible to recycle. Same amounts of tooth powder lasts twice as long as toothpaste, leading to 50% savings. Commercial toothpastes are also laden with unnecessary chemical agents. Here's a list of few of them. Hope these reasons were enough to convince you that tooth powder is better than toothpaste, and it's even better if you make your own. Let's see how. We will make two variants of tooth powder and dental tabs. The best thing about tooth powders is that it is absolutely customizable. You can add clove for some pain relief, cinnamon for natural sweetness, and mint for some extra fresh flavor.